Hi everyone. In today's video, I'll show you how to expand and collapse sections in PowerPoint. This feature is great for organizing your slides, especially in large presentations, making it easier to manage and navigate your content. First, open your PowerPoint presentation. In the Slides pane on the left, right-click between the slides where you want to create a new section. Select Add Section from the menu. Give your section a name and press Enter. You'll now see your slides grouped under this section. To collapse a section, click the small triangle or arrow next to the section name. This hides all the slides in that section, giving you a cleaner view of your presentation. To expand a section, simply click the triangle or arrow again, and all slides within the section will become visible. You can also right-click on a section name to rename, remove, or move the section, giving you full control over your slide organization. And that's it. Using sections to expand and collapse slides makes managing large presentations much easier and keeps your workflow neat and efficient. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to explore more PowerPoint tips to make your presentation smooth and professional.